honestly. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you like videos like this, because you already know it's a hair review, make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit that bell so you be notified every time your girl upload, because you know sometimes I be off my schedule and you know YouTube be playing. And make sure you share my videos so I can get a little exposure. So let's get on. So why you here? Hey, oh, why you here? Hey, oh, why you here? Ow. Baby, because it's been a long time since I gave y'all. You know what I'm saying? Shedding is back. What's tea? What is tea, Infinity Gang? I'm about to get loud. Hello! Like, wow. Wow, I am giving Miss America, baby. You know what I'm saying? Black America is that. You see me, baby. Come. Oh, because I thought somebody had said something. We're going to talk about this. Let's get into some things. You know what I'm saying? Y'all, I am so happy to be back. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. I've been on a long hiatus, I know, but I am back and I'm back in action, baby. And guess who got me back in action? KlaiyiHair. This video is being sponsored by them. Hello, shout out to KlaiyiHair for sponsoring this video. We really appreciate it, and let's get into it. So they sent me over their 24-inch body wave 13x4 wig, but if I miss anything, it'll be in the description box down below, and make sure y'all check that so you know you having coupon codes. It's gonna be down there. So Klaiyi laced me, baby. Y'all see, I really want to take my time with this, y'all, because I love black body wave hair. If you don't know this about me, I love it. So let's talk about this. So this, I only got one con, y'all. One single con, and it's fixable. So this has to be bleached. The knots are very big. They are very dark on this hair, and hence the hair is very dark too, which I do like. It is a true jet black, baby. Hello, you know what I'm saying? So you would definitely have to go in and bleach these knots because they are very, very dark. So that was my only con, y'all. On the shangling tip, I miss saying it. On the shangling tip, there was minimal shedding, minimal tangling. Actually, no tangling. I haven't received any tangling. This is my first time actually putting it on, but as I was styling, because I watched this over like 3 days, so and styled it over another day, so it worked out just fine, y'all. And I know good hair. This is high quality, baby. This is giving. Y'all see me smooth as butter. You know what I'm saying? What else? The hairline was pre-plucked, but I have been trying to learn how to pluck my wig. So I think I did a pretty doggone good job, y'all. I really do. I kind of overplucked in some areas, but I'm learning. But you cannot tell, baby. You cannot tell. Like, you cannot tell. This side gave me a lot of problems. I don't know what. I don't know why, but I just covered it all up. Y'all, I love this hair. I love this. Like, girl, I am giving Barbie workout, dog. You know what I'm saying? And I ain't going to work out. You know what I'm saying? I just want him to work out for me. Y'all, I enjoyed this hair. I enjoyed styling it. I used my New Me curl one. I'm not sure what barrel is. Y'all ask me there all the time. That is a New Me one, and I love that one. Even though the style didn't come like I wanted it to, that don't have anything to do with the hair, but I wanted like old Hollywood curls, and I got like relaxed Michelle Obama-esque. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I like this, how this turned out. I still like it. Like, I was trying to give old Hollywood. I really wanted that, like how this is going in the front, but that's on me. I didn't curl it right, but it still came out giving. You know what I'm saying? You can do so many styles with this, y'all. Like, the lace is very, very good on this. I really love the lace. You do have to tint it though, so be wary of that. I'm giving it to you. What y'all think? You know what I'm saying? Thank you again so much for watching, y'all. I really appreciate it. And if I missed anything, y'all know y'all can leave me a comment down below. You know what I'm saying? And thank you, KlaiyiHair, for sponsoring this video. This hair is the tea. You know what I'm saying? So I can't even give you the tea. But thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.